What's up, guys? We got a 2014 Kia Sorento in today, and we're going to be trying to change out this whole spoiler slash third mount brake light. Really, we're going for the third mount brake light, but I think we need to remove this whole assembly. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, obviously we need to open up the tailgate. All the hardware for this thing's probably inside, and I'm going to assume that this piece here probably needs to come off. So I'm just wedging my fingers behind, give it a little pull. This thing should pop off. You can see there's our electrical connector right here for the third mount brake light. So pretty simple. We've got just a little button that we've got to depress for the connector. That pops out. And then by the looks of things here, we've got to take these nuts off that run along here. And there may be some more that are underneath here. So I'm going to grab my Phillips screwdriver. We're going to pop these two screws out on each side, and we'll take these off as well. All right, let's try this side. There are some clips in there. One just fell out. These are pressure clips. If they fall out, pretty simple. You just take them and slide them back into those slots. That's where they go. If they're stuck in those holes, you can use a trim tool. It's a forked tool to pop that out. And it looks like we didn't even need to take those off. So I do see some body plugs right here. There's some more hidden nuts in there. So looks like we can leave that plastic piece on. We just need the center one off, but we do need these body plugs out. Okay, once the body plugs are out, I'm gonna go grab myself a 10mm socket. We'll buzz all those off and see if we can take the spoiler off. I will remove the outside ones first and try not to misplace the nuts. It looks like if they fall, they're probably gonna get trapped inside the body there, but you might be able to use a magnet to get them out if you do drop them. Okay, we got those off. Take this one, and then we've got one in the center. Okay, let's see if this thing will come off now. Looks like maybe we're still held up with something. There could be some plastic clips, or maybe I missed some screws. Let me just double check. Did we miss anything? Oh, is there some inside of here? No, that's just for the wiring. All right, we think that it's double-sided taped on there because this is like right where the wiring kind of passes through. So we might get a trim tool and just keep working this thing. All right, so it's double-sided tape. That's what's holding it on. And we're slowly working our way along here. It's gonna let go shortly. We're almost there. Okay. I don't know if yours is going to be double-sided taped or not. Maybe they all are. Maybe this one just had some paint work. I'm not 100% sure. But you can see where the tape runs along right in the center. And it looks like there's a mark for it, so it probably is from the factory. But yeah, that's what's going to be holding on in the center. But that's all there is. If you wanted to just replace this piece here, you take the spoiler off, and then looks like we've got some 8mm or number 2 Phillips screws. You just remove those, and this piece would come right out. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.